Next, see the example for functions. First one, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. What is the defined function? Every element in set A has unique image in set B. So 1 maps to B, 2 maps to A, 3 maps to C, 4 maps to D. Every element in set A has one image in set B, unique image in set B. So clearly it is F from A to B. F from A to B. F is a function. Next, second example. One, two, three, 4. This is set A, and set B has A, B, C, 3 elements. So function from F from A to B. Now 1 maps to B, 2 maps to 3, and 4 maps to A. Is it function? No. Since what is we defined? Every element in set A has unique image in set B. So for that here 3 has no element. So it is not a function. F is not a function. Since endukani 3 has no image. No image. Every element in set A has unique image in set B. A లోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ కి ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఉండాలి B లో ఇమేజ్. ఇక్కడ 3 కి అసలు ఇమేజ్ లేదు కాబట్టి then it is not a function. And third example, A, B, a function from F A to B. So here is 1, 2, 3. Here is A and B. Now 1 maps to A, 2 maps to B, 3 maps to B, and 3 maps to A. Is also not a function. Every element have image, but 3 has how many images? 3 has clearly A and B 2 images. But what is function definition? Every element in set A has a unique image in set B. Unique image undali. But here 3 has 2 images, A and B. So it is not a function. So F is not a function. Not a function. So why it is not function? Write in brackets. 3 has 2 images. Only one image undali for an element of A. So but here 3 has 2 elements, A, 2 images, A and B. So it is not a function. Next, write the note points. Now what is note point? The first one is a function F from A to B is denoted by a function from F A to B is denoted by F from A to B. Read it as F from A to B. F maps from A to B. F maps from A to B. And this means F from A to B, A is called the domain and B is called the codomain. So directly you have to write here. F from A to B is a function means A is called the domain and then B is called the codomain. The function is defined from A to B, then A is called the domain and B is called the codomain. And the second one is every function is a relation. Every function is a relation, but it reverse. Every function is a relation, but every relation need not be function. Every function అనేది రిలేషన్ అవుతుంది, బట్ రిలేషన్ నీడ్ నాట్ బి ఫంక్షన్. రిలేషన్ అనేది ఫంక్షన్ అవ్వచ్చు, అవ్వకపోవచ్చు. నీడ్ నాట్ బి ఏ ఫంక్షన్. ఫంక్షన్ అవ్వచ్చు లేదా కాకుండా కూడా పోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, if n of a equal to m, and n of b equal to n. Number of elements in A is m and number of elements in B is n. Then number of functions from A to B is n of b power n of A. N of b power n of A. That is, what is n of b? N. What is n of A? M. N power m, or n of b power n of A. The number of functions from A to B is n of b power n of A. Suppose if you like, question is like the number of the functions from B to A. The number of functions from B to A means n of A power n of b. Reverse అవుతుంది. And working rule for one function. Function working rule. Let A1 and A2 belongs to A. So A is domain only na. In this domain you have to consider two elements A1, A2. Let A1, A2 belongs to A. A1 is equal to A2. Then f of A1 equal to f of A2 is. So A1 equal to A2 అయితే f of A1 equal to f of A2 అవుతుంది. So this is the working rule for function. Equality of functions. Next, types of functions. In that, first one is one function. One function or injection. A function f from A to B. A function f from A to B is said to be one function. A function f from A to B is said to be one function if different elements in set A has different images in set B. Different elements in set A has different images in set B, then it is said to be a one function. Now see example 1. A, B, f from A to B. So 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Consider 1, 2, 3 and A, B, C. What is definition? Different elements in set A has different images. Different elements ki different images ఉంటారు. So here clearly this is a one function. Why different images? Different elements have different images. So it is clearly one function. Now see example 2. A, B, f from A to B. 1, 2, 3, A, B. Now here 1A, 2B and 3, 1 is not a one function, since 1 and 3 has same image. Different elements ki different images undali, but here 1 and 3 have same image, so is not a one function. Is not one function. Since why? Because 1 and 3 have same image. Two elements ki ఒకే ఇమేజ్ ఉంది. ఒకే ఇమేజ్ ఉన్నది కాబట్టి సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ one ఫంక్షన్. See the note point in that working rule. Working rule for one function. Let A1, A2 belongs to A. A1 and A2 are the domain elements. Consider f of A1 equal to f of A2. F of A1 equal to f of A2. That implies A1 is equal to A2. Consider f of A1 equal to f of A2 అయితే then A1 is equal to A2. So this is the working rule for 1 function. Whereas function is reverse. If A1 equal to A2, consider A1 equal to A2, then f of A1 equal to f of A2. Okay. Next. Second one is if f from A to B, if f from A to B is 1 function or injection or 1 function or 1 or actually. If f from A to B is 1 function, then n of A is less than or equal to n of B. That means number of elements in set A is less than or equal to number of elements in set B. Set A లోని ఎలిమెంట్స్ సెట్ B కన్నా ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి లేదా తక్కువైనా ఉండాలి. Then only 1 functions are exist. Next third one is the number of 1 functions. The number of 1 functions. 1 functions from A to B. The number of 1 functions from A to B is n of B P n of A. Suffix లో రాయాలమ్మ. n of B ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ అవుతుందో P n of A. So clearly is of the form NPR. Second year లో వస్తుంది మీకు NPR. So permutations. NPR. What is NPR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial. ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసుకుని ఆ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. అది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం అనేది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో చూద్దాం.